I was just talking to my buddy on the phone yesterday, and he's getting ready to rejet a Holley 2-barrel, but has never done it before. So anyway, I have one laying around, so we're going to pop off the float bowl in case anybody else has never done this. So there's 4 long screws on the float bowl here, and the older models use a flathead screwdriver. This one's not as old. They use these hex head bolts. Pull out these 4 bowl screws. And most likely, when you pull them out, the bowl is stuck solidly on the carburetor. And you just have to watch your accelerator pump linkage here. Nothing's physically attaching it, but anyway, just keep that in mind. We'll see if we can pop this ball off. And as I suspected, this one's on there pretty good. Give it a quick smack with the dead blow. There it goes. So there's your float bowl, and this will be basically the same on a 4-barrel on the primary side. So you pull it off, your float's in there, and here's your jets right here. We'll see what we got in this one. I have no idea. This carburetor was given to me. I've never run it, and I'm too blind to read it in this light. This thing is starting to come free. It's stuck pretty good. There you are. Removal of the metering block. And here's your power valve. Just need a boxed in wrench to remove that. So anyway, that's about all there is to it. Now you change your jets, change your power valve. So hopefully that's helpful if you've never done it, because you know, in the modern era, not a lot of folks working on carburetors. So when you put this back together, try to get it lined up the same as it was. Otherwise you could screw up your adjustment on your accelerator pump. And if you do, it's not a big deal. You can just put wrenches on here and reset the height of your accelerator pump so you don't have any real lag when you hit the throttle. So anyway, short little video. There you go.